need a fly swatter handy everywhere.
He's so funny, Mom. Look at him. It's like he realized he can figure out how to make noise now.
All right. Let's see what kinds of tools we're going to need. I need Phillips screwdriver.
What are you doing? Sarah, you hear her?
Yeah.
And we need a cloth because we have to use glue.
Thanks, Beth.
Phillips. All right, number 1.
What's a Phillips? The star?
Star.
It's just...
We need parts B and C.
I thought we had those. We do.
I need 3 number 1s.
What you doing, Logan?
3 number 1s.
Are you making noise? Are you making noise?
Open it enough to get what you need.